Plotagon Chicken and the legacy video maker Shutdown experience on Plotagon.
Warning, Plotagon is shutting down in 5 minutes. Please go to the portal to Evertoon, Go Animate, or Cat.
ABCD fordi Knop Q er stuvsize.
I am the coronavirus and I have bad news. Plotagon is shutting down today.
We must go to the portal to Go Animate City, now.
Quick, get your Chrissy the custom character from the bar, and I'll find Scott and Lizzie.
Attention everyone, this is Corey Graves speaking, and Plotagon is going to shut down in 30 seconds.
We are about to shut down Plotagon.
No, don't.
Oh no, we are going to die. This is so sad. I miss myself. Wow.
P. Plotagon 2005 to 2023.
I'm sorry everyone, but Plotagon has shut down, and is now replaced by the cat. Goodbye forever. Just kidding, this was just a random video to get me views lol.